Welcome back. This is NYSE TV Live, and it's Friday morning. In just a moment, the Generation Essentials Group celebrates its NYSE listing by ringing the opening bell. Shares of TGE began trading following its merger with Spade Acquisition. The Generation Essentials Group is a global media and entertainment company with a focus on high fashion, arts, lifestyle, cultural entertainment, as well as luxury hospitality. Among TGE's notable properties are La Fachelle, one of the oldest fashion magazines in the world, as well as the Art newspaper, one of the top publications of the art industry around the world. Later on in today's broadcast, I'll head right down to the iconic trading floor of the NYSE. As part of the celebration, the company will also be hosting a fashion show right here on the floor, and you will get a front row seat right here on NYSE TV Live. Let's head on down and take a look at the opening bell. TGE set to do the honors to kick things off on a Friday morning. All right, TGE doing the honors here on a Friday morning at the New York Stock Exchange. And with